নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত, সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 65 এই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল এপিসোড নাম্বার 65 এ আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আজকে কলমকারীর এপিসোড স্টার্ট করব। পুরো এপিসোডটা শেষ অবধি দেখুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, তসরে হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড কলমকারী এবং তার সাথে বন্ধেজ, অপূর্ব ফিউশন। Pallu in hand painted kalamkari. Here goes the blouse piece in brown color, again hand painting. This is the border. This is the border of the blouse piece, and this is the beautiful big pallu. The body will be fully in bandhej. And this is hand bandhej, not print. This is hand bandhej in tussar. So see, this is a lovely fusion of tussar and bandhej, that too kalamkari. Kalamkari and bandhej both are from different state, and how well this amalgamation is. So this is the full look, and I've already shown you the blouse piece, because once you wear it with this brown color blouse, then only the look will look very nice, because it will have a lovely border. So this is product number 1, episode 65, 8,900 rupees, 8900, product number 1. Product number 2, again another hand painted kalamkari in zari woven desi tussar. So let me tell you a few things about kalamkari. One is, kalamkari will not be even. Like you see, these are done by nib, and you know, these are dyes, natural dyes, with number of washes done. I can still get the smell of the thing, that the wash that has been done with milk and this thing. So there's a long process, and it's a very traditional form of art done in fabric. So see, there will be smudges, there will be paints that will bleed, but that is the natural part of this, is because this is original hand painted kalamkari. So you have to accept that. So don't, you know, this is the natural look. So don't tell me why this has, you know, the color is little spread out. No, this is natural. This is why you are paying. This is hand painted kalamkari. This is the lovely woven pallu, 11,800, and this zari border, the color of the zari is really rich, because it is going so well with this beige color, so that it's really enhancing. And you know, once you wear it, will be absolutely elegant and classy. These are not too bright, these are matte look, but after wearing it, will be really bright. This is the blouse piece in the natural beige color, and this is the sari. Whatever photos that you see in Facebook page, none are filtered. So these are natural colors that has been used, and these are pure hand painted kalamkari in desi tussar. Just see the look. It's very uncommon and very pretty, you know, see. Zari woven border, 11,800 rupees. Product number 3, another zari woven border, 6,350 in desi tussar, 6350, with kalamkari painting, dyed pallu, 6350, and the color is rich mehendi color with coffee color, burgundy color rather. See, the color is so rich, and all single piece. We will not take any orders of kalamkari. Single piece, I'll show you today, mostly very uncommon ones. You have been messaging me about kalamkari lately. So this is for those who have been waiting for the kalamkari episode. This is the blouse piece in wine color, and this is the sari. See the shading. This is the pallu. Only 6,350 rupees. Product number 4, 8,900. Again desi tussar, zari border, hand painted kalamkari. See the beauty of the color, the paint. It has striped zari woven border, the sari itself. Just see, it's all painting, all freehand painting. See the traditional peacock pallu, 8990. All you have to do is take the screenshot and send it to the number given. Once we receive your payment, the products will be shipped. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. International shipping charges depends on the destination and the weight, but the more you buy, the less you pay. This is the blouse piece. It's beautiful shade in onion pink color. Fully hand painting and very earthy, soothing combination. Now product number 5, again hand painted kalamkari. So all that I'll be showing you are hand painted, yes, mostly hand painted except for the one that I am wearing. The rest are all hand painted kalamkaris. Slate color. With olive border, narrow zari woven border, kalamkari. 8,500 rupees, 8500. Pallu. Very soft, lightweight, pure desi tussar, 8,500, narrow zari woven border with hand painted kalamkari. Here is the daman part in the pleats, and this is the blouse piece. See, the blouse piece will have the design at the back, and of course the sleeves. It's a lovely piece of art, and that too the color combination is also very uncommon. Now 6, similar type, 8500, a very fresh color in mustard and sea green. Pure tussar. $8,500, pallu zari woven border. Color is mustard. Half sari will be all over painting. Your body will have all over painting, and the pleats will have only the daman border. This is the pleat. And it will have a running blouse piece, but the blouse piece will be, see, painted blouse piece. The sleeves will also have the painting, and this is the sari. Please leave a comment for the karigars who have been working very hard for these episodes that I do. I keep calling them and tell me tatari koro, episode coming, I want to show them. I mean, it will be a real, and I of course read them, the messages that I receive, the particular weavers or the karigars or the craftsmen who do the work. I always, even the staffs, when you praise them, so I always convey the messages for just their encouragement. This is another lovely shade in tussar, zari border, onion pink shade, deeper shade, lovely color with all over hand painting in kalamkari. And this is the pallu. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Till Poila Boishakh we are open every day 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. Sundays also open. Up to 50% off discount on selected saris and suits are going on in Jamir Lane branch only. So you can just have a look. You can check out our Facebook page. You can check out our WhatsApp status for the sale products, because those will not be shown in the video. This is the blouse piece. The back of the blouse piece will be painted along with the blouse piece border, the sleeves. So this is the sari. Number 7, 8,500 rupees, Kalamkari, product number 7. Now comes a beauty. This is pure silk kora, and that also satin silk kora. It is so smooth and so soft. It's not the regular kora, it's satin kora. It just feels like butter, you know, just holding it just feels like butter. Hand painted kalamkari in pure satin kora, silk product. Here is the pallu. Price 17,500 rupees. 17,500, pure silk kora, hand painted original kalamkari by a very eminent artist. Here is the throughout painting look. Just see the painting, and that also in kora, because kora itself, satin kora, is a very unusual fabric and it's a very expensive fabric. It's actually a heritage sari, lifelong. Just see the blouse piece. So this is one blouse piece. I will give you another hand painted blouse piece so that if your mother-daughter can wear, in-law and daughter-in-law can wear, this is another blouse piece. So I'm giving you 2 blouse pieces with this sari, or you can mix and match. You know, you can make a chudi sleeves out of this and make the body in this print kalamkari, paint kalamkari rather. So this is the sari. 17,500 rupees in silk kora, soft, lightweight, and it's an absolute art. I mean, no words to describe that. Kora Banarasi kalamkari, hand painted. Pure silk kora Banarasi with hand painting. These are dreams in painting in this fabric. Just see the beauty. Product number 9, 11,500, product number 9. This is the pallu. And the best part is you will love to see the blouse color, because of the blouse piece, this look will be stunning. Just see this aqua color, turquoise blue, bright turquoise, peacock blue kind of a color, peacock blue color, right? And with this, how rich it is looking, this blouse piece. So I hope I've done justice to this program, because so many of you have been waiting for kalamkari, hand painted kalamkari. Even last time I had heard that, last time I couldn't give a lot of customers because it got sold out in few hours. So for them, you know, you will be getting the first choice, because many have been messaging me for quite long. So it's just on first come first serve basis, because these are very rare pieces and very unusual pieces. In pure silk kora, 11,500 rupees, zari border, pure silk kora Banarasi, zari border, hand painted kalamkari. Just take the screenshot of the product and message to the number provided. There are 2 numbers that is going. In every program I tell you, within 24 hours you will get the reply. See this, I am giving you a kota blouse piece with this. A silk kota blouse piece along with this kalamkari. See how rich it will look. These are very unusual concept, but of course the all the credit goes to my painters. So now comes Desi Tussar again, zari border but applique kalamkari, product number 11, applique kalamkari in Desi Tussar. But the applique is done a little different way, not the traditional peacocks. Just see how the applique is done. Very fine work, and usually what we do, we fill up these appliques in very thick embroidery, but here you see how neatly and how fine the edging has been done. This is what gives the finish. Just see how pretty the edging is done, not the thick work that we do in regular ones. This is the pallu, and the color is rich midnight blue color, navy color. Price is 11,500 rupees, 11,500. Pure hand painted kalamkari applique, pure hand painted, where your upper part will end, then the lower part will begin. The lower part applique will be in big buttas. With blouse piece, running blouse piece. A very rich green color. Same price, product number 12, 11,500 in rich green. See the border, zari woven pallu. Here also the applique will come in broad applique in the front upper part, and then in patches in the lower part. The color is very rich color and running blouse piece. Thank you for your today I must thank you for your patience for the previous kalamkari, Chanderi kalamkari that I had shown you, also for the cotton applique and the silk printed sarees that you have ordered me. So what happened, the 983 number that had hanged, it had crashed, and most of the messages from September 2020 got all deleted. So there was a delay in shipping the certain products to certain customers. I really apologize for that, but the phone had totally crashed with 35,000 photographs in one phone, so obviously nothing to do, but I really sincerely apologize for that. This is 12,500 with figure hand painted kalamkari along with mirror work in rich red. But let me tell you, this is no this is no god or goddesses. This is just normal Adivasi figures, so it's nothing to do with the gods and goddesses, no deity. This is the pallu. All over and very rich color. You know why? Because it's Desi Tussar, and that's why the color has come out so nice. Rich red, it's a lovely color. This will be the blouse piece, mirror work blouse piece. Very smart looking. Wear big jewelry like what I'm wearing, you can wear junks here. This is the very elegant. These are actually very elegant sarees and very heritage kind of sarees which you can wear for generations. I'll show you two colors in this, and both the colors are really uncommon. This is in dark midnight blue. Let's see the combination. Hand painted kalamkari applique, original hand painting kalamkari applique, palki design. pallu 12,500 again, 12,500, and those who will get these sarees will just love the fabric. Rich pure desi tussar and very neat fine finish. This is the whole look. With tassels, and of course it will have this mirror work, tiny mirror work blouse piece, running blouse piece. Now comes Kanjivaram with Pichwai along with Kalamkari. So see, there is again a new fusion. See, the body will have the Pichwai painting in tussar along with silk. You know, this is a Kanjivaram look. Pallu will be in Kalamkari. 11,500. Body in Pichwai painting in digital. Throughout there will be the border. See how rich this is with silk border and silk blouse piece. So I think today the photographs will also come out really well, and it is really a piece of art. These are, so I took so long again to show these beauties. So you know why. Here is another rich color. Pichwai again with Kalamkari. Temple woven silk border with body in pure tussar. Pichwai art in the body with Kalamkari in the pallu. 11,500. These sarees will never, reduce its charm. Even after generations, your daughter and your granddaughters will really cherish these, because these, we have been, cherishing our grandparents' shawls and sarees and Banarasis. Of course, your generations will, will also, I'm sure, will love these products, because ultimately old is gold. These are all real beauties. So this is another color combination in red. So I showed you green, Rani, and now red. One side border, but a broader border in check silk. Banarasi, this body, those were tussar. This is in silk. Kalamkari all over with pallu. Just see the richness of the red and see the check weave. The upper part will just have the narrow border. You know why? Because when you wear it with the blouse, then only it will stand out. So, because the blouse is rich, bright red color. This is the blouse piece. This is the saree. Minimum zari, but maximum rich look. Now here comes some Kalamkari painting with embroidery. These were very much in demand last time, and many of you are again waiting for this tussar sarees. Pure tussar in very reasonable range with embroidery, and see the shading that has been done. This is in digital along with painting. 8,500 with thread work. These are, the black outlines are all thread work. Throughout the saree, all the black part is in embroidery and the rest in painting. See the color, it's a poppin blue with grey combination. And running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Very rich look. I'll show you few colors in this. Number 19. all over kalamkari with embroidery. Again, the black part is fully thread work. Pallu, zari woven. Product number 19, 8,900. And then comes the shaded dye. This will come from the pleats. A very arrangement sari, but no join. All painting and brushing and dyeing and embroidery concept sari. Just see. This is the blouse piece. See the texture. This is the look. This is the pallu. 8900. Product number 20 in green. See, all the colors are very rich. Pallu, body, all in the shades of green, fully green. This is the body. Blouse piece with shading. Product 21. Border pallu concept. Again with thread work. 8500. Simple but very elegant sari. Just check out the details description that is already provided. There is the Insta page. There is the Facebook page link also. So just have to check out the albums, Kalamkari album for more options. There are more designs, more variety that will be shown in the Facebook page also. This is the sari with blouse piece. The blouse piece will have a stripe blouse piece. 8500, product number 21. And the last one, like what I am wearing, this is product number 22. This has the black blouse pallu. This is digital printed kalamkari in pure Munga Tassar. Pure Munga Tassar woven satin border. It's lovely woven satin resham border. Price 5,990 rupees. 5990 kalamkari pallu, and the body is also in kalamkari print. Just see, you can see I'm showing you from the close. You can just check out. This is a traditional kalamkari block print in the bird motif tradition, and then the blouse is very rich. I've given a printed blouse piece with this, with matching, with the. This is the blouse piece, matching with the pallu. And the one that I am wearing, the same thing in green pallu. This will be the blouse piece. $5,990. The neck piece is 4,500. 4,500 for the neck piece and 2,200 for the bangle pair of bangles. 2,200. This 4,500 neck piece along with this earring. And this is the sari. Soft, very lightweight. Extremely comfortable for a summer formal occasion without zari sari, and you'll really feel very light and comfortable wearing this. See the print, inside print, and this is the pallu. So thank you for watching. Keep messaging, keep commenting and keep supporting. Thank you. Shobai bhalo thakben. Namaskar.